Looking for the best cordless orbital sanders on the market? Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, a cordless orbital sander can make your sanding tasks faster and more efficient. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 cordless orbital sanders that offer the best combination of power, speed, and maneuverability. And don't forget to check the links in the description box for more information, and to follow the like for more content like this. Let's dive in. Craftsman CMCW 220B Orbit Sander. The Craftsman CMCW 220B cordless random orbit sander is a powerful and efficient tool designed for fast material removal and surface preparation. It's part of the V20 cordless system, providing flexibility and convenience without the hassle of cords or wires. With a max speed of 12,000 OPM, this sander delivers smooth and consistent results. The onboard dust bag and connection to a 1-to-1/4 vac hose ensure efficient dust collection and a clean work area. The low profile and lightweight design provide added control and reduce vibration, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. The dust-sealed switch enhances durability and longevity. This sander comes with 1 dust bag and 3 sheets of sandpaper, 60/80 and 120 grits, and is compatible with the VersaTrack wall organization system. Battery and charger are sold separately. Overall, this is a versatile and reliable sander ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Black Plus Decker BDC-RO20C Orbital Sander. The Black Plus Decker BDC-RO20C Orbital Sander is a powerful and versatile tool designed for fast material removal. With a speed of 12,000 oscillations per minute, it quickly clears away materials such as paint, stain, and varnish. Its compact and easy-to-maneuver design helps reduce muscle fatigue and makes it easy to use even in tight spaces. The hook and loop system allows for convenient sandpaper changing, while the onboard dust collection with an easy empty dust bag helps keep your work area cleaner and improves visibility of the work surface. This orbital sander also features a 20 VMAX lithium-ion battery that holds a charge for up to 18 months, providing added convenience and portability. The package includes a BDE-RO20 random orbit sander, a 20 VMAX 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery, a charger, and 2 5-inch round sandpaper sheets. Additionally, it comes with a 2-year limited warranty. Worksite WCOS 326 Orbital Sander. The Worksite WCOS 326 Orbital Sander is a cordless, compact, and versatile tool that is perfect for small projects and quick touches. The variable speed dial allows you to adjust the speed from 7,000 to 11,000 RPM to match different materials and applications. The texturized rubber over mold grip reduces vibration and provides a more comfortable sanding experience. The replaceable 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad makes changing sandpaper quick and easy. What's more, a sander comes with 30 sandpapers to meet different sanding needs. The sander is also equipped with a dust collection bag to help keep your work area clean. The package includes a Worksite orbital sander, a 20V battery, a charger, dust collection bag, and a manual. This sander is backed by a 2-year warranty and offers an unconditional replacement for any quality issues within the warranty period. Feelpow R10 Pro Orbital Sander. The Feelpow R10 Pro Orbital Sander is a brushless and cordless tool designed to provide convenient, efficient sanding for a variety of projects. The brushless motor ensures up to 5 times longer service life and 20% higher sanding efficiency than brushed sanders, while the cordless design offers freedom of movement and ease of use. The sander features a visual dust box with a microcyclone integrated system for up to 80% higher dust collection efficiency, reducing dust running or leaking. The low-profile body design with a rubber-covered grip and separate counterweight helps reduce sanding vibration and noise, minimizing user fatigue. The sander also has a soft start design and dual brake system, with 6 variable speeds, 6,000, 12,000 of them, for delicate or rough sanding on different surfaces. The kit includes a Feelpow brushless random orbital sander, 20V/2 Ah lithium battery, battery charger, 12X sandpaper, and carrying bag. With a 3-year warranty and reliable customer support from Feelpow, users can feel confident in their purchase of the sander and get the help they need if any issues arise. Madabo HPT Cordless Orbit Sander. The Madabo HPT Cordless Orbit Sander is a powerful, lightweight, and high-performance tool that delivers the best sanding performance and dust collection rate in its class. It features a brushless motor, providing increased efficiency, longer tool life, and extended run time. The sander's electric brake ensures quick braking for increased productivity, and it weighs just 2.6 ounces before adding the battery. This cordless sander is perfect for remodelers, finish carpenters, flooring installers, and all woodworkers. It offers the power of a corded sander, but with the freedom of a cordless platform, providing ultimate convenience and flexibility. Additionally, it has a speed of 7,000 to 11,000 OPM, providing fast and efficient sanding. Included with the sander are 2 sanding pads, a dust bag, a 1-to-3/8 dust port, a 1-to-1/2 collection adapter, and a 1-to-3/4 dust collection adapter. The Metabo HPT Cordless Orbit Sander is backed by a 5-year lithium-ion tool body warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. That wraps up our video on the best cordless orbital sanders. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect sander for your next project. Thanks for watching.